What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. I kind of felt like sitting today, so decided we were going to do the video from my desk. Today I got a nice quick little video for you looking at a watch brand that contacted me recently and asked me to take a look at one of their timepieces for them. I have been having an awesome time taking a look at all the watches that have been coming across my desk recently and the ones we've been putting on the channel. It's given me the opportunity to take a look at a bunch of different watches and kind of get a feel for what's out there. But today's watch comes from a brand called Limits. They are a watch brand started in 2017 in Toronto with the idea to create premium quality and affordable timepieces. Fast forward to today though, their main office is still in Toronto, but they have offices and warehouses all in different continents all over the world, and they actually ship worldwide. And when they reached out to me for review, I did some research and looked at their watches and thought it was worth getting a closer look at. Now, you know, first of all, I'm big on product presentation, and when I got the box for this watch, I was pretty impressed. As you know, I'm still building my experience with these watches, and so getting things like this is a real treat for me. So let's throw on some B-roll and get a closer look at this watch. Here we go. Ooh, just look at this watch box. All polished and shiny. I was so excited to see this come in the mail. But what's going on inside the box? What makes up this Limits watch? This is the demeanor in rose gold. Inside the watch, we're looking at a Japanese-made semi-mechanical quartz movement, and the entire watch is actually water-resistant up to 3 ATM. It's also topped off with an Italian black leather strap. On the wrist, it's both comfortable and visibly appealing. Its sleek but bold design makes it work with a multitude of outfits, making it an awesome addition to your wardrobe. Now lately I have really enjoyed going with the leather strap versus the usual metal band because I really like the look that it gives off with my sweaters and jackets and the rest of my winter wear. As far as the mechanics and the working of the actual watch, I can tell you in the weeks I've had this and been wearing it daily, I've never had to adjust it due to malfunction. I actually wore it the entire time on my recent trip to Michigan, and I had to adjust it for time zones, of course, but it really has never given me an issue at all. One thing I did take note of though, because things do happen with watches, is that they offer a lifetime warranty on the internals. If the watch just stops working or something happens other than damage, of course, they'll replace it, which is really nice. One thing also that I really liked about this brand that actually kind of drew me in a little bit was their interest in helping out children who've been the victims of abuse. I think it's a great cause and was really impressed to see that 10% of their new collection sales get donated to the Prevent Child Abuse Foundation of America. I think we can all agree that's a great cause, and it's really cool to see brands giving back. Overall, I think that these are quality timepieces. For right at $100, I really feel like you're getting your money's worth, both in the watch and in the experience. I know for some, stuff like this won't matter, but it was really cool for me to open the box and just see this beautiful, shiny watch box, and then open it up to actually find my new watch sitting there like it was made just for me. They did also give me a coupon code to pass on to you guys to save you 20% off your order, which is pretty cool. I don't get anything off that. I have no skin in the game whatsoever. That's just for you guys if you decide you want to order. Here on the channel, I don't ever promote brands that I don't personally have interest in, and I don't push products that I wouldn't personally recommend. In my opinion, that's the quickest way to lose trust with folks, so you can always count on that here on this channel. So I do ask, if you feel so inclined, that you hit that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate it. Also, there is a sweet giveaway going on right now over at the Blumaan community on Facebook. I sent Joe and the folks at Blumaan a few jars of Nevermore, my collab with the Lockharts, which is actually completely sold out as of now, and they are giving away one jar in a special giveaway over there. So if you want to enter to win, I'll put a link in the description for you to check out. I do want to thank Limits for allowing me to check out their awesome watch. I was really impressed by this brand once again, and I hope to get my hands on another one of their watches in the future. But I am also interested in hearing what you guys think. So if you liked this video, make sure you hit that like button for me and drop me a comment down below on what you think of these watches. Also, you're gonna wanna keep an eye out for my next video too, because we're gonna take a look at the new clay pomade from Big Slick. It should be a cool video, so stay tuned for that. But that is it for today. I wanna thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.